Hey y'all, it's Crystal from Triple C Creations Crafting, and I'm back with you with another surprise card video. So I made some card packets, I guess. I put all the things to assemble a card into an envelope and was going to have a crafting party, but it didn't happen. So I'm kind of tired of these laying around. So let's make some. We'll make a masculine card, a feminine card, and a kid card. So I have 3 stacks of cards. I don't know what's in them, and we'll see. So it's kind of a all-in-one. The only thing you need is some adhesive, but let's see what we got. Ooh, so this is a masculine one. This is Gone Fishing. Now, it is all-in-one, but if I wanted to, I could add more things to it, but we're going to keep it basic. So, got a card base, and I prep a lot of paper and cut it down to card base sizes, and then I've got it organized by theme. So I've got masculine, feminine, I've got kid, I've got different holidays, baby, and then I've got just colors. All right, so then I've got this, and I'm thinking, do it down through here. Trying to think in my mind too if I might have any extra other embellishments that I would want to add to this, but really I think this has got a lot. So we'll add the Gone Fishing down here. I tend to like put things down here, and I think I'm going to add the canoe. Could sit it right on top, but I think I'm going to do it at an angle right here, like that. There we go. That'll dry, and stick my envelope inside, and it's ready to file away. So, cute masculine card. All right, let's see what this is. This is a feminine card, okay. Ooh, that's already got the foam tape on it. So this is one where you take 2 pieces of paper, and so I took 2 pieces of obviously the same cardstock, and stack them up, cut them, and then you reverse them. Since this is the same card, I know it does match, but obviously these didn't get cut, but they do match. So I have the option of this, have the option of this. I can also do the smile on the bottom. I like the bigger flowers because when you do the small flowers, you don't really get a whole lot. I think I like the bigger flowers. So we'll glue that down. So these were kits for really non-crafters, so they could make cards. I'm going to overlap that a little bit instead of trimming it down, because I have a piece of ribbon that I'm going to use over the seam. So just want to try to get my border the same all the way around, and then I'll put this in there. You hear my kids playing in the background. This is actually ribbon made for, I guess, paper crafting. I bought it at a thrift store. Bought several rolls at the thrift store, and it already has the adhesive on it. So I think by American Crafts, I bought like, probably 10 rolls. A lot of it brand new for a couple of dollars. It was in like a grab bag at a thrift store. Put that there. And I don't think I want to cut it. I think I'm just going to wrap it around. Then I don't have to worry about the raw ends, so that's okay. Nothing wrong with that. And then here's my sentiment. Thank you. put it down here, up here. Kind of clashes with that green. I think I want to keep it away from that green. I'm going to put it down here. All right, there's card number 2. We're at 5 minutes. Card number 2 is done. All right, so this must be my kid one. I don't know if it's boy or girl. That's a kid one. It's bugs. Could be either one. All right, so this is another one where you cut and you match. So I had both of these pieces of paper, cut them, and then reverse the pieces. I think I'm gonna put the black on bottom. And instead of ribbon, this time it looks like I've got a strip with bugs on it. So in the paper pad that this bug paper came from, there was a page that was just all strips, and it was all different matching patterns with different pages. It's okay that that's in between. At least I say that. I hope my bug's gonna reach. Oh, it's not quite gonna reach. Let's see. Oh wait, if I turn it, I'm gonna have to, let me grab a pencil to get smart here. I'm gonna have to cut that off there. And then I'll cut this off about here. So it's not gonna go all the way to the edge of the cardstock, but it will go to the edge of the layer. Okay, it's not perfect, but I'm not going to stress about it. It's a card. Alright, so I've got a blue sentiment here, and then I've got some of these. I've got a punch that's these. I don't know if I want to put all these on there. This is probably going to take longer than anything else, putting glue on these things. And then stick this down here. Oh, let's put a green one. Let's put it down first too, and then so my sentiment will go over it. And it's okay that there's a little glue, it'll dry clear. There we go. All right, so there is my kid card. Cute little bugs. All right, so kid card, feminine card, thank you, happy birthday kid, thank you. And then guys, and it could be anything. It could be birthday or really anything. The going fishing, retirement maybe even. So I think that could be kind of generic card. But in under 10 minutes we made 3 cards. So if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And I will link my first video in the description box, and as I do more I will add them also. So have a good night.